Can you guys tell? I changed my lens. My old lens was really noisy because of the autofocus, so I changed my thumbnail lens to this Canon 18-135mm lens. So I'm pretty excited to film. I got a new eyeshadow palette from MAC. I wanna share my honest review. Let's get started. They released different colors, but I got this classic cutie. Oh my god, it's so cute. Cupcakes and clouds. When I got this, like, oh man, so cute. Because I didn't check the whole package before I ordered it online. So let's just open it. There's magnetic, so you can open like this. Although the package is made of thick paper, it's strong, so you don't have to worry about that. It's purple based eyeshadow. I love purple eyeshadow. Although it's a cool tone color. Actually, my skin tone is cool tone, but I prefer to wear a warm tone thing. I don't know, just my taste. So yeah, but that's just a rule. I have warm tone color here, but I like to put cool tone color eye makeup. Whatever. Those colors, this 3 color is similar with the eyeshadow Naked 3 palette, but a little different. And there is brown color. It's really good for daily and natural eye makeup. But you can also have fun, you know, especially this purple matte color. I put that underneath my eyes a lot. This is such a game changer. Actually, I'm not a matte eyeshadow person, but I can have a lot of fun with this one. So if you want to have some fun, I feel like this eyeshadow palette is really good, especially this purple matte color. But also you can use it daily basis because most of colors are basic. I use this color as a base and I put this color too, and I use this color underneath my eyes and the outside of my eyes to spice up my eye makeup. And I also use this highlighter. It's a kind of metallic highlighter. You can see it's not warm tone color. It's kind of pink based highlighter, so it really glows my face. And there is mirror. If there is a brush inside of it, it's gonna be really perfect. But I really like it. The package is cute and I love purple eyeshadow, and this purple color is really fun. Although you are not a big fan of matte eyeshadow like me, you can have fun with it, I promise. This is the whole color. So let's just try. I'm gonna show the whole color. I'm gonna put this whole eyeshadow on my skin. So this color, the pearl is kind of big, and this color, and this fun matte purple color, beige color. Really good for fall, I think. As a base, cream beige color. Purple champagne kind of color. I love this color. Purple brown color, dark brown color. It's gonna be perfect to use it with these 2 of them. You can use them as a base color. I love it. I'm gonna try this color tomorrow because I'll go to work. The last color, metallic and pink base highlighter. Really metallic and white color. So it's not the natural highlighter, I think. I use this palette for doing my eye makeup, and I apply pink nude lipstick with lip gloss. So this is the whole makeup by using this eye palette. So I'm so excited to have more fun with this eyeshadow palette, and I will make more makeup tutorial by using this product. So excited. And if you have a plan to buy this MAC eyeshadow palette, I hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and see you on my next video. Bye!